going to talk about a very important lifestyle, which is sleep. As everyone knows, sleep is very important for us to rejuvenate the cells in our body, to relax our body, mind and emotions. And you must have seen, if you have not got proper sleep at night, next day goes very bad. You are not able to focus or concentrate in your work. Even I have seen people while driving, they feel asleep and then there are accidents happening on the road. And also you become more irritated, your mind is not focused, you get very angry very easily and your energy level goes down, you are not able to perform day-to-day activity very well if you have not slept properly at night. So I'm getting so many patients coming to me and asking, doctor, please give us some good remedies by which we will be able to sleep like babies. So here I am with so many beautiful remedies to make you sleep like a baby. The first and very important thing is you should take care of too much air or wind in your system if you want proper sleep. Now, how the air is getting created in the system is when a person is remaining empty stomach for longer than 3 or 4 hours. I have seen people having heavy breakfast in the morning and just go on working and in the evening or at the dinner time they will have a big dinner. This is one of the cause to have lots of air or wind in your system. So try to have smaller and frequent meals as much as possible. Also, try to have nourishing food which helps to get rid of too much air element in your system and too much tamas gun. In Ayurveda we say there are certain mental qualities. One of the quality of mental is sattvic, rajasic and tamasic. So the food which increases the heat in your body will also disturb your sleep, like caffeine. I have seen people in America just wake up in the morning and go to coffee shop and have a big glass of black coffee. Even a black coffee without milk, it's so much acidic according to Ayurveda. Also, the coffee is a highly pesticided crop which increases too much toxins or heat level in your body. So especially the people who are having sleep disorder or who are having bad dreams at night, they should always avoid caffeine as much as possible. If you cannot avoid in the daytime, at least avoid 4 hours before you go into the sleep. Another thing is, nowadays it's very common to sleep with your cell phone. I've seen people just working on the cell phone at night in the bed and then finally they go to the sleep. Because of the radiation and heat created while working on the cell phones, that also disturb your sleep pattern. So try to stay away from the cell phone when you are going to the bed. Also, there are certain good remedies which you can follow day to day. Massage your body with warm sesame oil. It will give you nice relaxation. It's not compulsory to go to a massage therapist, but even you can do on your own, like just take warm sesame oil or olive oil and start massaging your body from down to upwards towards your heart. If you cannot do every day, at least do twice a week. And if possible, if 1 hour before going to bed, if you will do this remedy, believe me, you will really sleep like a child. Also, there are certain beautiful tips which I can give you for better sleep and to get rid of bad dreams. First and most important tip is applying ghee on your temples when you go to bed. Just take little bit of cow ghee or clarified butter, just dip your fingers inside and rub it over your temples when you go to sleep and press this center of your temporal bone 6 times. This is the best murmur point for best sleep, and even it helps you to promote better memory, focus and concentration. Same way you have to apply ghee on your soles below your feet. Every day before going to the bed, just apply little bit of ghee below the feet till it absorbs properly, and then you can clean your feet and go to bed. This is one of the best remedy. I have tried on thousands of people and it works like magic, believe me. I have so many people who used to take sleeping pills before going to the bed and still they were having too much bad dreams and insomnia problem. but after doing the ghee remedy, they are sleeping better. If you want to improve more of your sleep and if you want more faster result, even you can apply castor oil. Castor oil is very effective remedy even for arthritis problem. I have seen many people who have rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis or restless leg syndrome can also not sleep properly. So for those people also, if you just dip your finger little bit in castor oil, very little castor oil over your fingers and apply over your eyelids. Just little bit castor oil apply over your eyelids, and you will not believe, your eyes will be so heavy you will not be able to open your eyelids and you will really sleep like a child. And these are tried and tested on thousands of people by me. Now one remedy I am going to share with you, which is also very effective for people who are having low potency or who are not able to perform at night. So for them this is the best remedy. Have warm milk and mix nutmeg powder. I have seen, and I was very surprised seeing nutmeg powder at coffee shops in America. I was wondering how come they know about Ayurveda, because in Ayurveda, nutmeg is considered as a very important herb and it is very good aphrodisiac. It improves your sexual capacity, potency, as well as it is the best tonic for brain and it helps you to promote better sleep. So always when you go to sleep, you can have less than quarter teaspoonful of nutmeg in a cup of warm milk. Just have it and then go to bed. And it is definitely going to work for you for better sleep and to getting rid of bad dreams. So these are certain beautiful remedies which you can try at home if you are not getting proper sleep or if you are getting bad dreams at night. This works like magic. So friends, now you know how to sleep like a baby with simple kitchen remedies or home remedies, and I'll be back with such more beautiful remedies.
For more videos, subscribe to our channel Care World.